Hi, I'm Charisse Moret. For those of you who don't know me, I'm an eco-conscious interior designer, and I am really excited to start this series, the bathroom series, with you. So welcome to the smallest room in my home. This is my half bath. Some call it powder room, and I visit this room every day. I've written a book called The Bathroom, and I go through everything that you need to know to create a healthy home and a healthy lifestyle, because you really can't separate the two. Today, I'm going to talk about toilet paper conservation. So it's not about design, it's not about different companies, it's really about how do we extend the longevity of our toilet paper. So we all have toilet paper. Yes, I hope you all have toilet paper. What prompted me to begin this series is when I visited the grocery store last Friday, when all this silence was surrounding us with the coronavirus and people internally panicking and being unsettled, not knowing what's going to happen. And I saw that the shelves were empty, and I'm a minimalist. Everyone who knows me, I don't buy in bulk. I just buy what I need as I need it, and I've always conserved. I grew up in an environment where my mom was a stay-home mom, and my father worked 3 jobs so that he could support his children and his wife, and give us the quality of education that we needed. So I learned how to transform objects into something else, how to extend the life of something like our water, that's now a thing, and to really respect each other. So when I went to the grocery store, there was this elderly woman, and she had a mask on, a surgical mask, and she was standing in front of the big area with all the empty shelves where they would normally house milk. Well, there was only so little to choose from, and she just stood there so perplexed. So I approached her and said, "How can I help you? What are you looking for?" And she shared with me, and I said, "Well, there isn't any type of that milk left, but what about almond milk? That could be good for you." So I helped her, reached for it, gave it to her, and she was just the sweetest lady. And I realized, oh my goodness, so toilet paper. Who talks about toilet paper? I think about this every time I'm in the bathroom. Like, how much do I use? So I share with you in my book, The Bathroom, PPs, and it's labeled PP, not for PP, but for personal preference. So I share with you one personal preference. I have so many to share with you, but not to overwhelm, I just supply you with one in here for each area. And so what do you do with this roll of toilet paper? First of all, many of us may not have a choice right now if we buy single ply, 2-ply, tri-ply, if we buy organic, sustainable. Right now, is there any toilet paper for me to buy? When I went to the grocery store this morning, there wasn't one roll to buy. And when I bought a few last week, my husband said, "Why are you buying all of that?" And I'm like, "But it's not a lot, it's just a little bit." So anyway, we have some, but I conserve, so I'm not worried. So I can help save you money, and I can help you save on the longevity of your toilet paper. How do you do that? Okay, I'm going to share with you something that no one's talking about, but I think about it. That's just how my brain operates. So when you typically, okay, so location. So let's talk about location. Where is your toilet roll located? That's a really big deal. So is it located right here next to your toilet, or right here next to your toilet? That's kind of good, because then you can have control over how much toilet paper comes off that roll at one time. I have caddies, and I have one here I took from one of my bathrooms. This is a caddy, and it holds extra rolls of paper, and then I have my top roll on the top. And this is wonderful, especially with my grandbabies and elderly people. They don't have to worry and fuss, and they can move it anywhere they choose so that they can take off just how much they need. So how much do I use? Well, that's a secret, right? It's a secret I'm about to expose. So when you, or you're teaching your children or other people in your home, now you can help them with a new tip of the day. How much do you use? Like, whoa, do you do this? Take it off and then just tear it and scrunch it all up? That's a lot of toilet paper. Just think of how quickly you're going to go through this roll of toilet paper. Or, you know, did you ever think about measuring that? I think I have a measure. That's because I'm a designer. So I happen to have my little measure, a little one. Let's see how long this is. Are you curious? The next time you go into your half bath or your bathroom, see how much toilet paper you use at one time. Whoa. Oh my goodness. So this is, oh my goodness, over 4 feet of toilet paper at one time. What if you do this 2 times or 3 times? That's a lot of toilet paper. We just need to conserve right now and think of other people in addition to ourselves, because we need enough toilet paper to go around the world. Yes? Yes, absolutely. So, how much do I use? Well, if you do it pee-pee, and that is literally pee-pee, not the pee-pee for personal preference, but pee-pee. You can literally do 2 sheets. 2 sheets. 1, 2. This is single ply. I just always bought single ply. And that is 8 3/4 inches. Wow, not even a foot. So how do you do it? You just take it and you make it a little fluffy, and that's it. And you dab. Done. But what if it's the other? So it's a little secret, and I don't share this in my book. So you just take a little bit, scrunch it up, wipe, you know where I'm talking, and then, and again, maybe this takes practice, I don't know. I've been doing it forever to conserve, because we had to conserve, and now it's just a way of life for me. So then just take it, and you can do it in one hand, so you wipe, and then you kind of like flip it around, wipe again, and the toilet. That's it. So you are conserving, and again, you're thinking about other people as well. One other thing that you can do is to conserve is to only flush on yellow. So not on yellow when it's not yellow, you know. So if you tinkle, you don't necessarily have to flush each time. You can let the yellow mellow, as they say in our design and eco world. Let the yellow mellow, so you can flush after two times of going, or 3 times. Again, you're not using that much toilet paper, so you are now conserving toilet paper, and you're conserving water as well. So, my bathroom book, I share with you so much information, because I want to empower you with the information to be able to create a home that is healthy for you, your loved ones, your furry friends, and our planet. And it works synergistically together. There's no divisions. It's a lifestyle. And when you incorporate this, I promise you, you will have more clarity, you will be more productive, and you will have more joy. And wow, your home's going to smell so good. And people, even though they really can't come now, when they can again, they're not going to want to leave. And they won't know why, but they'll just feel the beautiful, healthy, vibrant energy in your home. So this book is only available on my website and limited quality. It's what I have in inventory. So that's it. There's no more. And you can't get an ebook. There's nothing online, no downloadables. Only at CheriseMarais.com can you get this book. And I designed it because it's so fun and healthy and happy. It's full color. I have so many DIYs, how-tos, resources, and I share with you a story on one room, because everything I do is one room at a time, not to overwhelm you. And I actually write about this space, the smallest room in my home. I wrote a whole chapter on it, and I provide you insightful resources to be able to create a space, whether it's your half bath or your bedroom or any room in your home, that is really healthy for you. So this is super sweet. It's interactive. It's really a gorgeous tabletop, but it's a conversation piece because it really brings family together. And I think now that's what we're looking for, is to really bring that unity, that sense of family back, because we can't send our children to daycares. They're not in schools. We're not at work, although I work from home, so I work every day. And many of you do as well. So sometimes it's just adapting from the office style to the home style. And my friend Sheila Cox is talking about that now on FaceTime Live as well. And we hope to do like a Be Live together so we can share some information with you. But I hope that this was really helpful to you, and I hope I didn't talk too long. I try not to. But tomorrow, so I'm going to come back to you every day. I hope you join me. And tomorrow, the lineup is either going to be the tissue, the Q-tip, or the round. And I'm going to show you different ways where you can, oh, you're going to love the tissue. You're going to love this. It's just like so fun. Like, wow, I can get that use out of that tissue. Amazing, and not contaminate anyone. So I hope that all of you are staying super safe. You're being cautious and really taking all this seriously. I'm sure you all are. It's because we want to get better. No one wants to be sick. And so I wish you health and conserve on your toilet paper. And I will see you tomorrow. I'm going to do this every day at 11:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you want to, oh my goodness, send me a question. You know, I can help you with that. And you can go to my website, ShariceMurray.com, on my contact page, and shoot me a question. Send me an image. Send me an image of your toilet paper. Thank you. Thank you all. And as I say, happy eco-ness. Till tomorrow. Okay. Here we go.